One lead magnet got Chris over 300 downloads, or FF printer who got over 500 plus downloads. And I look at what made it work, and then I build it myself in just 10 minutes using Claude. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build incredible lead magnet in Google Docs or in Notion, and this is the exact process. Most lead magnets don't convert because they are too broad, so free guide to social media marketing, who is that for? Basically everyone and no one. B2B is completely different, so look at these contracts. So guys, here I picked few lead magnets so you can see the difference from Lorenzo. Claude is insane for ad scripting, so this is for ad scripting, and he got over 800 downloads or 800 comments. Then we have this one from Dash, which is a 10-page playbook showing B2B SaaS founders, so keys B2B SaaS founder, how to use Reddit, almost 200 comments. Then we have Adam Taylor, who put together a Meta X Claude viral creative script prompt, which got almost 500 downloads. Then we have Michael, who built 13 end-to-end workflows with Claude Code to run GMT at their 7 million ARR agency, and this got over 100 comments, so pretty cool. And I have many more of these I could show you, as you can see. So yeah, okay, so there are two things a B2B lead magnet has to do. First one is that it has to solve a specific problem for one specific person, and second is to deliver the win in under 10 minutes. So basically it has an actionable steps, not a 40-page PDF, but a checklist or a script that your prospect can use today. The point of lead magnet is to give away the what and charge for the how. Most people build a lead magnet that attracts everyone and converts nobody. The reason is always the same. It's too broad. They optimize for downloads instead of for the right person, and 1,000 random downloads is worth less than 50 from your actual ideal customer. A good lead magnet doesn't just get downloads, it filters. Someone who downloads your lead magnet and actually use it is a warm lead. You're not solving the whole problem, you're solving step 1 in a way that makes them realize step 2 or 10 exist. The realization is what creates the desire for your offer. Okay guys, so first thing that you are going to do is copy this prompt and basically adjust it for yourself so it makes sense for your offer. So what I said is I help B2B SaaS and agency founders who struggle with getting more clients on Twitter. My paid offer is one-on-one growth, do it for you offer. Give me 5 lead magnet ideas that solve step 1 of this problem and consumable in under 10 minutes and naturally lead to my offer. Okay guys, so I just got few ideas. The cold DM audit checklist, still my 7 tweet client acquisition sequence, the B2B SaaS Twitter profile teardown template, the 5 content bucket that actually generates inbound for B2B SaaS, and why your Twitter is getting views but 0 leads, 3-minute diagnose. So let's pick this one, the simple checklist audit. Okay guys, I just picked the first lead magnet idea, the cold DM audit checklist, and I added now write the full lead magnet, keep it under a few pages, no fluff, no table of context, no bio, just cold DM audit checklist with a brief context, end it with a clear next step toward my offer, and make it the PDF and keep it under. It's super simple. So guys, as you can see, Claude just finished writing my lead magnet, and this is the cold DM audit checklist. As you can see, it looks pretty decent and solid. When you're doing these things, I would suggest, if you have right information or some specific information, because this is all fluff now, or basically the Claude came up with the info, so it's not the sauce that people are maybe looking for it. And if you have that type of information, I would highly suggest you input it in, so Claude will basically write lead magnets based off that info, and the lead magnet will be much better. Okay guys, before we move on, here's my full lead magnet SOP library, which was created on analyzing over 100 lead magnets, and this will help you create better lead magnets overall. So if you want to grab it, it's in my free Telegram, which link is down below, so you can check it out. Guys, our lead magnet is complete, but we are missing the one and most important thing, which is the title, which will make people click and actually consume our lead magnet. And this is the most important part, because if people don't click, they won't go through our lead magnet. So what we are going to do is, you can just copy this prompt again. I said, give me 5 names for this lead magnet that are specific, outcome focused, and feel like something worth downloading. Okay guys, we just got our results. So here we have 10 reasons your cold DMs got ignored, the cold DM audit, why you're not getting replies from your dream clients, DM checklist, the 10-point fix for B2B founders getting 0 responses. Here you'll pick the best one, and that's basically it. So basically we spent less than 10 minutes and we have a complete lead magnet that will help you get more of your ideal customer and actually getting you closer to your offer. Okay guys, before we finish this video, you can also create this lead magnet in Notion, and we will test this so you can see how it looks. If we open this link now, as you can see, here is our lead magnet inside Notion. So basically you can pick whatever format you want the most. So guys, this is all you need. Few pages, specific promise, fast win, clear next step. You now have a lead magnet most people spend a week building, and the only reason it works is because it's built for one person with one problem, not for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and leave a like if you learned something valuable. In my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write lead magnet post and find the ideas for them. And if you're building lead magnets right now, drop a comment with your niche. And thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.